actually start dropping again. Why? Because it's a ranging market. It's ranging between these two positions, these two levels. But we expect market to range here, break this level, retest it, and probably go up to cover other positions. So having hit RTP1, now I've shown you, I've told you, if you've listened very well to this video, the first thing I say about that you should jot down is, so this is what it looks like right now. Remember the last video I did? That's why this is a continuation. I talked about, in fact, this is a continuation. I'm now starting this video from the back. Look at this. I talked about market doing what? Retesting this zone. So as you watch this video to the end, you are going to see this take place. This market now is going to, has retested this region. I talked about retest. Remember, I talked about market what? Retesting. So let me just use this to finish what I was saying. Okay, I'm making another video out of this. So this, if you go to the 30 minutes, you have to play with the time frames there. You have to play with the time frames. We've been able to smash our TP1, and now we are going for our TP2. And why did I say that place as TP2? Some people will say their TP. You can set your TP anywhere, okay? It's where I expect market to reject from, and it's also where market might not even actually get to. Or sometimes it might even break that region and go far above. Like now, break here. Maybe my TP was here. Okay, let's say I got into a trade from here and put my TP here. Now, imagine my TP is here. It has broken my TP and it's going above. So it's just where you expect market to start rejecting. So now, had it been, we were actually very ready for this. This will now be an entry for us. Okay. That will be an entry for us, and our SL will be below this line so that we don't lose much. But don't also forget we have smashed TP and we have two positions running and we are in profit. For those of you that are just watching this video for the first time, this is a part 2. So this is the trade that we gave. This is when the market was ranging. That was on the 5 minutes, and it broke that trend, as I said earlier. So I'm not even going to waste your time. Let's also, I love analyzing the market and showing you that this thing actually works. So on the previous video, I showed step index and crash. Was it crash 300? Let's see if it was crash. I'll remember if it was crash 300. Because we had what? We had some lines, green lines. Yeah. So it was on the crash 300. The crash 300 was showing what? This candlestick is still running. That means there have been less crashes in the market. There have been less crashes so far. So I've already used this. So watch the previous video to see how to apply it on the crash 300. And here is a boom. Let's just use boom 1000 because this is another pair I love. I really, out of all of them, I just love crash 300, but I just had to look at boom 1000 because I actually love it too. This is the 4 hours, and guys, this has been massive spikes. Let's just analyze this. So let's say we are just going to the market and we want to have a setup. Okay, I know now you want to scalp. You'll be looking for scalps. No, you don't look for scalps in this kind of market. Not now. So now the first thing we have realized is this position, this level here. So sometimes I might actually just use this instead of using the horizontal line. I use this. Okay, yep. So it covers that entire region. Okay, so it covers that entire region. So you see that this is our first support. Let's find, now we have to find a resistance. But if you watch the previous video, what did I talk about? I talked about you finding your strong support at a higher time frame like this. Wow. Okay, this, I didn't even know that we had an analysis running. This has been an uptrend for a very long time. Wow. Because this analysis, I must have done it and stopped on a day like this. maybe somewhere around here, 20, sometime in November. We're in December now. So this has been an option already, although it changed and didn't come back to touch this, but it might still in the future be very helpful. But man, what was that time? We're going to be analyzing over and over again. So this is what we have: a new structure, a new trend. It's still an uptrend, but a higher one. This might actually be void, but I don't like kicking my I don't like wasting my analysis. So now you see that there's an uptrend, very obvious. And now, my previous video, I also talked about on the daily time frame. That's where you use to find these zones, and you can also use the 4 hours as well. But now you've seen this. This is how we do it. This has been a strong support. This was a support, a resistance, a support, and now we found another one, a resistance and a support. So it has been a very huge uptrend, and we can't actually outline. Like now, let's go back to the stage. Let me show you what I mean. This is just like giving you a class, so we can't actually outline places like this. Maybe, as this one's ranging, this one is outrightly an uptrend. So now you might be asking, what do I do at this point that I can't find anything around this level? Now that's when you now go back to days, months, weeks ago to find a position close to where price is. Now price is probably at a resistance level from here. So you're trying to find a support, a resistance rather. This is the first one, which must have been broken. So you're going to put it at, remember I said it needs to have at least 2 to 3 touches. Sorry, I'm not using my computer, but let's just assume. Let's not assume, but let's just use an eagle eye to see what I'm trying to do. We have a place here, but we have somewhere here. So that's the stronger one, okay? That's the stronger one because 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So that's where our next resistance is. We also know that on the 30-minute time frame, that's a very long position that we are going for. It's very long. It's very long position that we are going for. So at this point, you now actually have to start using the lower time frames to detect closer positions. So what are these closer positions? Sometimes you might actually now go to 4 hours, 30 minutes. But if you can't find any, it's just for you to be careful and wait for a rejection. Okay, wait for a retest to a particular, maybe this level here. Let's use 15 minutes. Okay, if you want to go into the market, it's buying. Yeah, so you may actually wait for this market to just drop, maybe to this certain level here. This 15, let's just try 30. Okay, this more of it, maybe to a certain level here. Then you can actually now go in for your spikes again. But also note, it might not actually come down to that level. It might just be going. That's how market is. So this is an uptrend. You don't go to scalp. That's the very bad thing to do. Sorry, you don't go. Yeah, of course, you don't go to scalp. That's the very wrong thing to do, because it's mostly spikes all the way. So when you see market like this, let the trend be your friend. So you've seen that even I think while we were discussing on this video, we had a spike, because this video has been up to a few minutes now. This spike came, man, it's just a spike period, so you have to avoid this kind of market. So you've seen how to find these positions, how they work. It's an uptrend daily. You've seen the magic. Now there's also what we call trading in channels. Probably you want to sell, but now what some traders now will be waiting for, those that trade in channels, is for market to get to touch here. You see the how it works: comes here, touch down, goes up, touch here, comes down. You see, it just giving some technique. So now it might actually come up here and start dropping a bit, but it might not be that much. Okay, so If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do what to subscribe, like this video. The free Telegram channel is open for everybody. You can actually get in there free. Of course, it's free for everybody. And also the VIP is running, so if you want to join the VIP, hit me up. Of course, let me share some testimonies with you guys. Okay, this is one of my VIPs. He's on the VIP. He knows how we do it. And I'll go to my WhatsApp. We had a message there of buying the step index. So this is it. He was able to grab $91, bro. That was a lot. So make sure you join the Blue Boy team. Hit me up. I'm on WhatsApp. Check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my WhatsApp, to the Telegram channel, and the mentorship, account management, Profem challenge, and also VIP signals is running. So this festive period, we're going to be doing huge discounts for you. So of course, it's not much. Just sacrifice and see what you can make from this interesting market. Oh guys, a spike just came, guys. A spike just happened. So you see, this is magic. It's going to keep going. It might not actually reject to that level. This spike period, you don't even have to think about scalping. You avoid the market like this. Okay, let's actually just jump on volatility 100. No, you can use the 1 minute. So let's start with the daily. Oh, this is a very dirty chart. Analysis everywhere. Sorry guys. So this part is invalid, especially this trend is actually invalid now. I'm gonna clear that out. So right now this is an uptrend. Yeah, you look for what? You look for buy entries at this level. You may actually be looking for buy entries. Why? Because you've seen this rejection coming to this level. Now let's see something. Okay. So now this is the level that we are expecting it to at least drop to. But if you are going in, this should be your SL, because this is still a zone. Let me put it here. You dig? You guys understand what I'm trying to say? So you see how that works. You look for buy entries at this level. Where will your TP be? Your TP will be first TP here. But you can scalp, go into the market, make some money, and move. So guys, if you want to join the VIP, hit me up. I will be giving masterclass on how this. I'll be showing you a lot of other ways of trading. Okay, so make sure you join the Blue White team, and you're not gonna regret it. See you guys on the next video. Bye.